Hey guys, today is May 11th, 2023. This is the view from my window. You can see the port that I was yesterday at night. So came across this market, still looking for food. Maybe I'll go take a quick glimpse at this market. Yeah, I found something. Banh mi, I think that's Vietnamese. Yeah, it should be Vietnamese. Banh mi, sandwiches. Yeah, this town looks definitely not crowded. It's even kind of weird after Seoul and Busan. Oh man, that banh mi was a total ripoff. Well, I had banh mi, I know the taste, but yeah, that wasn't that. It wasn't bad. If you prefer that kind of food, like greasy, sweet, like everything's like extra sweet, the vegetables are sweet, and also you like a lot of sauce, so yeah, it depends what you want to eat. So now I'm at this market. You remember these guys? The local desserts.
실외나시만큼 실내나시도 중요하니까요. K외로 먹어요.
Maybe this is their like town's dish. These buns, cream and shrimp. Yeah, it could be. A lot of oranges here. You've seen this before, maybe the marshmallow ice cream. Yeah, they heat it with that hand. Looks kind of funny. Yeah, this looks more like food. Man, come on. how does this food taste? Don't have a knife. Wanted to buy it before, but yeah. So going for a waterfall. I'm gonna show you guys some water and some falls. This is the same place I filmed yesterday at night. Yeah, the waterfall is very close, should be. So, yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, it seems it's quite far afterwards, so I'm gonna go try to find a proper way, a proper road, a trail. So yeah, let's go and see. Somebody lost their pet raccoon. They're offering a reward if you like find him. Never seen this before. Looks like a bunch of ladies playing golf. So I'm at this big parking lot. There should be an entrance to the waterfall. I actually thought it's gonna be like further. I took a shortcut down that hill. So yeah, it's not that far. I wonder how long will it take to get to the waterfall. There was a map, it like showed 5 kilometers. Like, I don't know which way was 5 kilometers. I came up from here, like from that hilltop. It was pretty fast actually. I wasn't thinking it to be that fast. I feel a little bit more excited now, but the first impressions, like when I saw the city today at daytime, it looked pretty much empty, you know. I got used to that big city life. Osaka, Tokyo, Seoul, Busan. Yeah. Didn't visit a really small town for a while. Only like Kyoto and Nara, and that was like only for a couple of times. So yeah, more machines. English. A dog. Yeah, 2,000. That's a good price. Yeah, this place looks quite cool. Yeah, I was wondering maybe to cancel 2 days because 16, 18 I need to change my room. So I still can cancel, I think, till 13th, maybe. Need to check, but I think I still have time, and just book them last 2 days in Jeju City, because from here I'll need to take a bus, and it's gonna take me like almost 2 hours. So my flight is 12:45 p.m. So yeah, I'll need to wake up very early because I want to be like 3 hours before, because it's international, and then maybe they will give me some problems with my stuff, with my batteries again, so that's gonna take more time. Maybe not, but you know. Yeah, such big koi carp. I have this feeling that people don't really stay here very long. Like, it's more you visit and you go. Maybe I'm mistaken. Just my first impressions. So I paid, like you saw, 2,000 won, a little bit more than €1. And this place closes at 9 p.m. There is some kind of flowers. They smell so weird. It's like not bad, but such a weird smell. I wouldn't like to smell it every day. Like, or them trees like connected to life support. Yeah, they're taking out the good stuff from them. Or maybe it's medicine. Could be. Some nutrients, eucalyptus, sorry. Ellipticus, almost eucalyptus. But yeah, it doesn't look like eucalyptus. This path looks cool. Like a jungle.
한 일주일 있다 하는데 못 보았더라고. 병원 간지.
That was super fast. I thought I'm gonna take like an hour to get here, but it's like 30 minutes with all them stops that I made. Yeah, you can just run here in 15. Yeah, cool. I wonder if they let you swimming here. You can get your photos here. Still looks quite, I think people do. Not dying business. Yeah, quite happy that I came here. Actually didn't feel like doing nothing today. Yeah, this was worth it. Didn't require a lot of energy also. It was super easy. It's not like a trail in Indonesia where you need to get to a waterfall like for 2 hours through the jungle. Everything's slippery, no safety, need proper shoes. Well, you don't need proper shoes, but it's a good thing to have, like proper wear, proper shoes. I don't see a lot of foreigners, like everybody looks Korean. I don't know where did all these people came from, but it doesn't look they're from my town. Definitely not. Maybe they're from Jeju City. I wonder what these guys mean. I'm too lazy to Google it. Where's that smart guy in the comments? Comment on this.
아니면 요새 뭐 저닭 샌드도 맛있고 할머니 할아버지 이런
It's like they have a lot of honey here. It's a good thing. Yeah, this looks made like from volcano. They should have a volcano here. That looks cool. Yeah, these Ayuma hats look very smart design. Like you don't even need sunblock for your face. Just get a hat like that. It will cover everything. It will be like a ninja. So the statues are called like this, and it says like it's attributed to the Iceland's shamanic traditions, but also said the origin is mysterious. Well, yeah, it's gonna, I suppose, gonna be involved with some kind of religion, god, and so on. What the? That fish has legs. She was like moving with them legs. Oh shit. So if you're up to diving, it's a thing to do here. Yeah, I'm back at the market. Got some blueberries, like €9 for almost half a kilo. Not that bad. So yeah, it says half a kilo. So really good price. Yeah, this looks cool.
계좌번호? 계좌 어디 써 있지? 여기요. 100만 원.
아이를 계속 돌아다니다 보면 만나겠지?
There's like a huge line here. Also here, very big line. They're like some kind of corn dogs. Yeah, daytime this place was more empty. Now it's fully packed. Quite cool. I will try it tomorrow. Yeah, at nighttime this market is such a different place. tastes like chips. So I'm back home. So some places of Jeju looked a little bit empty. I don't know. I'll see tomorrow. Maybe there's like a lot more shops open because I went down the street. A lot of places were closed. Maybe it's not the season yet. Don't know exactly, but still very cool, very beautiful nature. Also, there were a lot of people in the market, so they're hiding somewhere. And my plan changed a little bit, so I booked this place till 18th, but like I said, I had 2 days in a different room, so I canceled that booking because I still can do it. And I booked in Jeju City for 16th, 18th of May. So I'll see the city, and there's no rush to the airport on the 18th, so I think it's better. So that's about it. That's my day. That's my future plans, and yeah, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.